Sponsored by Squarespace. Clip clop, barabing, that's copyrighted. So it's been a couple months since I hit 18, and for the millionth time, which I mentioned on this channel, I'm going to be going to university soon. And quite frankly, I have a lot of things about myself that I need to fix. From simple things like cleanliness habits to major things like communication skills. I literally have a few weeks left before I head to my home country, so let's try and fix those problems, shall we? Hello, well, good morning. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning, or actually wait, it's 6:20 in the morning, and I just woke up, and today we're going to be doing a bit of a sort of a reset vlog where I can finally organize my shitty life. It's really cool outside. It's bright outside right now. I can't talk too loud because my parents will hear me. They're currently asleep right now, but yeah, I have a few things on my agenda today. Let me just open my Notion real quick. Here we go. So my first to do is to wake up early. Let me just focus that. So today on my to-do list, I want to clean my room and house, organize my items to pack because we're going to be moving soon. I'm going to work out today as well, and finally I'm going to organize my stuff. Today's going to be a very chill day, nothing much to do today, and yeah, I'll be also talking about the things that I want to do prior to going back. But yeah, I need you to sit up straight. Alright, anyway, you guys should really see. It's quite gloomy today actually. I'll just be cooking breakfast for now, and then I'll probably clean my room and the house, the entire house, before my parents awaken. So yeah, anyway. Oh, my dog just awoken. All right, I'll see you later. Bye bye. While I cook breakfast, I want to talk about a few things that I want to change about myself, a few goals and habits that I want to develop before going to university. And no, these are not necessarily improving my physical looks, that's more of a physical glow up. It's more on a healthy lifestyle habit that I want to grow or that I want to develop that will help me a lot when it comes to being a young adult. And the first habit that I'm thinking of developing will literally help me develop all of my other habits that I want to develop, which is essentially, I need the habit of good sleep. Ah yes, the cornerstone of productivity, sleep. Now, getting good sleeping habits is no easy feat. A lot of people, including me, experience difficulty when it comes to sleeping as well as getting enough sleep. Like, is it just me, or like every time I sleep early, I end up waking up in the middle of the night and then I just cannot sleep for the rest of the night, which makes me sleep deprived for the day? Is it just me? Well, it's really annoying because honestly, there are times where I have deadlines and I just couldn't sleep, so I just end up staying the whole night and I end up just being super tired for the day, which makes me unable to do my stuff or tasks, which makes me really annoyed. Like, it's really an annoying thing that I want to fix, because if I'm able to fix this problem, then maybe I'll be unstoppable with my other habits that I can develop. I'm thinking that this habit will be some sort of like baseline or like foundation for my lifestyle generally. So yeah, I woke up early today, so it's a good start. That was the wrong way. Anyway, a little update. My chocolate drink is now officially finished. You see that green pot over there? Let me just show you. Apparently, we have mushroom soup. I think my parents cooked mushroom soup last night and I didn't know, so apparently now we have mushroom soup. So yeah, I'll probably be eating that for breakfast. I'm still going to make dumplings or something, but yeah, I'm gonna be probably eating some of the mushroom soup. Anyway, I'm waiting for the rice to cook. I'll probably shower and probably do a bit of organization before I eat. But yeah, I'll see you later. Alright, the next thing I want to improve about myself is to be good at focusing and dedicating time to a certain thing. I'm the type of guy who gets easily distracted, whether that be when I'm studying or when I'm supposed to be filming a video. Like for example, my last video, my what's on my desktop video, I actually crammed that video all night because I was so distracted a few days prior to uploading that. If you guys don't know, if you're sponsored by a company, there's a specific date where you need to send your enlisted video for approval, or if they require any change to your video. And I had to finish the video in order to meet that approval date. I always end up drifting into doing something else when I really should be focused on my work or my studies. Now, I know it's easier said than done, you know, just focus, Seth. But I want to develop this habit where I always finish the task that I need to do for the day. Like honestly, if I just do this for 365 days straight, I promise to myself that I'll be successful, but honestly, it'll be a process. But yeah, I really want to finish the tasks that are available on my to-do list ASAP, like no exceptions unless there's an emergency or something. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Now, you may be looking at that dumpling and be thinking, damn, that dumpling kinda looking hot though. And I have to agree, that dumpling do be kinda looking hot. But you know what's hotter? Having your own personalized website. And that's where Squarespace comes in. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform used to build your own website for many uses, whether that be a personal blog, a portfolio, or even your own business. Squarespace allows you to create beautiful and pretty websites that attract your visitors and clients. You can choose from a wide array of award-winning templates that can match your every need. They have different features that can help you with your business, such as detailed analytics that can show where your audience is from, click rate, view rate, impressions. They can also offer tools for your own commerce website. You can even have your own email list and more. All of that possible with Squarespace. Head over to squarespace.com/kindnotebook to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain using code KINDNOTEBOOK in all caps. Again, that's squarespace.com/kindnotebook. Enter the code KINDNOTEBOOK to save 10% off your first purchase. Not only will you save your money, but you'll also help the channel out. Anyway, back to dumplings. Jajan, the food is finished. Very simple breakfast. It's just dumplings and mushroom soup and soy sauce and rice. Yeah, I'll be eating right now. Anyway, 잘 먹겠습니다. Alright, I just finished breakfast and I'm so freaking full right now. I'm gonna take like a 30-minute break. I'll probably like just browse the web or something, or like, I don't know, play a bit of Terraria, but I'll see you in 30 minutes. Bye. Hello. Alright, so I just finished my break and now my room is super messy right now. As you can see, my table is like super messy. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this up. And yeah, well, enjoy the time lapse. Actually, me preparing on what items to pack and me organizing my stuff conveniently moves on to the next point, which is I want to stop delaying things. Now, I'm the type of person where I would delay the things that need to be done until the very week where I need to have the thing finished. It's a very unhealthy habit which caused me a lot of problems in the past. For example, if you guys don't know, my SAT was cancelled last year for gosh darn reason. I hate you, College Board. But I feel like it could have been avoided if I just simply applied earlier or if I've taken it earlier. While yes, it's not my fault that the test was cancelled, I feel like it was sort of my fault that I wasn't too proactive before. So yeah, I feel like I could have avoided the problem if I just simply applied earlier. The next habit I want to develop for me is to be good at communication. Now, I suck at communication, like I swear. Being an introvert is already painful enough. Imagine an introvert with communication problems like me. Now, the problem with me is that I've never replied on time to my friends or to anyone. Like, I ignore my messages. Now, I'm just saying I don't have bad intentions most of the time. I usually am doing something and I don't want to be interrupted. But the problem is, even after I'm finished with what I'm doing, I just don't have the energy or I don't have the mood to reply to a message or email. It's honestly a huge problem really, and because of this, some of my friendships and relationships have been really roughed and tarnished. So hopefully I can improve on that soon. Alright, so as you can see, I have so many boxes to sort out. It's dark in there, but you can see that there are a lot more boxes there. It's because I received a lot of keyboard products and I need to sort them out before we fly back. I have no idea what to bring back, especially with the weight limit. I will see what I will bring back and what I will not. But yeah, just a little update. A lot of things to sort. I'll see you in a bit. And for a change, the next habit I want to develop is to work out regularly. Yeah, I've actually been doing a really good job when it comes to my workout this month. You know, prior to university, I really don't have much to talk about. Actually, you know what? Let me do a routine reveal. Yeah. Now, my routine is very, very simple. First, I warm up by either stretching or doing jumping jacks. Then I complete at least 3 sets of 16s of slow push-ups. Keyword, slow. I purposely make my push-ups slow and steady so that I can prolong the pain. That sounds really edgy. I mean, I'm trying to make it like super effective and all that. After that, I grab my dumbbells and I do the same number of sets but for the shoulder presses. Same goes for bicep curls. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It generally takes me like, I don't know, half an hour to an hour to complete my workout routine, so it's really good and it keeps my body fit, which I really like. And finally, the last thing I want to develop is to be grateful. Now, as cheesy as it is, I feel like this is one, if not the most important thing for me to develop and to learn. Now, currently I'm at that stage in my life where I just want to achieve many things and do many things. But at the same time, it's very easy for us to get caught with the future when in fact we forget about the present. You can seek for more change in your life, which can be good, but at the same time you forget to appreciate the now, how far you have come in life. You may dream about getting a house, a new car, a good future, but honestly happiness comes from the now, from being grateful. Now there's a scene from Kung Fu Panda where Master Oogway tells Po this.
Quit, don't quit. Noodles, don't noodles. You are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
As someone who's been obsessed with the future, the plans, the everything, I just forget about the little things that happens at the present. And this is what I finally want to improve on. To appreciate the present, our greatest gift. With that being said, thanks for watching, don't forget to drink water, and perhaps appreciate what happened to you today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!